Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This quiz is all about was and were. There are 10 questions to answer. So let's get started and see how well you know the difference between was and were. Question 1. See going to the store. Was or were? The correct answer is option A. Was. She was going to the store. Question number 2. They planning a trip to Europe. The correct answer is option B. They were planning a trip to Europe. Question number 3. I surprised to see you here. The correct answer is option A. I was surprised to see you. Question number 4. You always the first one to arrive. The correct answer is option B. Were. You were always the first one to arrive. Question number 5. He the best player on the team. The correct answer is option A. Was. He was the best player on the team. Question number 6. We waiting for the train when it started to rain. The correct answer is option B. We were waiting for the train when it started to rain. Question number 7. The flowers full bloom last week. The correct answer is option B. Were. The flowers were in full bloom last week. Question number 8. My friends at the concert last night. The correct answer is option B. Were. My friends were at the concert last night. Question number 9. The restaurant very busy on Saturday nights. The correct answer is option A. Was. The restaurant was very busy on Saturday nights. Question number 10. You very quiet at the party. The correct answer is option B. You were very quiet at the party.